Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a moving average in MetaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader, then go to Insert. Click on Indicators, Trend, and choose Moving Average. Click on it. And we have here period. You can choose any period you want. So for me, I will choose, for example, 200 period. Okay, 200 moving average. We have here the method. We have simple, exponential, smooth, and linear. You can choose whatever you want. So for me, I will keep it on simple. We have here the color. You can change it if you want. We have here the type of the line, and we have here the width. So let's choose, for example, this one. And now click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.